Hi, another top tip for you. Keep watching and I'll tell you a little thought of item that it just might save you a lot of money. Hi, I'm Jen Oakbridge. I'm the cruise queen. When we were cruising a few years ago with my daughter and her family, my grandson, who was only like 18 months or something at the time, if that, Grandad was carrying him around. Now, my husband and I both wear glasses. I have contact lenses, but my husband doesn't. And at that time, he didn't have a spare pair of glasses with him. He just had the one pair. And they were fine until my grandson grabbed them, pulled them off his face and broke them. Well, we went everywhere to try and get these glasses fixed. And of course, some people or places, they wanted us to leave them overnight. Well, we couldn't do that because we were cruising. We were only in port one day. So we had no way of fixing the glasses. I think in the end, we just used sellotape to try and keep them on when you needed them. So one of the little things that we suggest that you pack, that you just slip it in the side of your bag or in with your wash kit or your first aid kit, is a glasses repair kit. Just a little kit that has a few bits and pieces in that can help you to fix your glasses. Because if you don't have a spare pair of glasses, and sometimes even if you do, it's great to be able to fix them without having to depend on a local who is going to want to keep them overnight anyway. So there you go, top tip. If this has been useful, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for a like. I'm Jen Oakbridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Bye.